On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me an ukulele challenge which I took. Hey everyone, Kalani with the Ukulele Club channel. I'm teaming up with Parapole and we're going to give away an ukulele for somebody out there who takes on the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. What is that? That is learn as many ukulele holiday songs. I got ukulele on my brain. Learn as many holiday songs as you can. I've got 12 plus a bonus for free ready for you. I've got song sheets, I've got play along tracks, I've got videos, tutorials, lessons. I'm trying to push you guys into mastering a set of holiday songs, different genres, different styles. You know, we've got Hawaiian, we've got Spanish, we've got Hanukkah songs, you know, all kinds of different songs in the holidays, mostly Christmas. But, you know, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, whatever your goals are, I hope you'll take this opportunity to learn this big set of popular songs because people love them. And once you learn them, they will love you by default. That's the way it works. You bring the music, you get the love. All right. So I want to empower all of you, no matter what you're doing out there with groups. The mission of the Ukulele Club channel, and really everything I do, is to empower you as a musician to go out and create positive change in the world. So click the link below, find out how to get involved, and good luck. Take on the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. I'll see you soon. Thanks for dropping by the Ukulele Club channel. Watch some videos while you're here.